So guys, so now we're heading to, there's a lots of bus. I think where we are at Expo Interchange. Okay, I think it's not Expo Interchange because the word doesn't make sense. But I think this is the bus bay. So let us just look. Okay, it's clear. It's clear. So still the people are crowding at the bus bay. I mean the baggage area. Okay, so basically this is actually, I didn't notice that there's a baggage area. So that is the baggage area and that is the queue health area. So we crossed that area and now we're at the bus bay almost. And let us just wait. I'll just show you around. Whoa. There's the toilet. So guys, if you're planning to go to the toilet like urgent, you cannot cut the queue off. Okay, because also the bus will go, so please do not cut the queue whenever you're going to the toilet. Okay? Or else when you're a kid or you have a parent or someone is guiding you or two people in your family can, then you can go because you're not just having. So this is the air show shuttle the bus went, but it's crowded. And this looks like this is the airplane, like that, right? Am I right, Daddy? This, as I tell, this is a mini airport, right? So this is the airplane, right? Yeah. But this looks like a bus, but at least this is known as the seating area. So let us just head to the bus instead. Okay, there's a train. There's the train. Okay, there's no train. Just a bus. Now let me just go by the electric bus. Okay. So we are planning to go to the Sitaro bus, not this bus. Whoa. So there's a lots of police watching. So let me just give us this space behind my father. Behind me. I need to hold my dad's hand because it's a bit hard. Okay, here's the Airshow shuttle bus. Is it free, Daddy? Do we need to tap the card? We don't need that. Okay. Okay, sit in the last. Hey, yo, there's a double decker bus. Hey, yo, there's a lots of bus. Even there's a double decker. So, guys, so I'm basically in the bus, but I'm showing you the view. Let us just start this view. No, let me just show you. So guys, I'll just, so I think it will be boring. double-decker bus. Oh my gosh, there's another bus. And again, a double-decker bus. Bruh. And again, a double-decker bus. And there's a Citaro, an electric bus. There's a crew looking at the ground. So the crew looks like a person who's like the ground crew. And we are in an airplane. And now we took off at the runway. What? Yeah, just kidding. This is the runway. Everyone is excited for no reason. Like there's so much bus even. So let's just show you around. So Baba Expo. Showing the down part thingy. Sorry guys. Okay, there's a bus. I mean there's oh yeah, there's a bus. Behind there's a bus. Oh, we're crossing the train. And we can watch the view. There's a bus stop. Yes, so guys, if you're planning what's this is actually the Terminal 5 airport, which is under construction, and it will take so much months and days. And also the construction of Zilin. There's a new MRT station. If you don't know that, you can watch Reddit video or some of the MRT planning video. Someone doing that. I'm excited and I can't wait till the air show. So guys, this is not the air show, just showing the bus. It's not a bus tour. It's actually you can go inside. If you don't trust me, you can look. Whoa, 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 whoa. So guys, I'm just showing you how Singapore looks like. That's I'm not showing the other side. So guys, for more, just continue the video till the air show.